Come and join us today at Universal Studios Florida. We're going to do a ride challenge from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. So we have a whole 5 hours to see what we can get done here.
Today we're at Universal Studios.
And we're going to do a ride challenge.
Rainy day ride challenge.
Yep, let's see what we can do in 5 hours.
Yeah.
How many rides?
Bye.
All of them. Bye.
All of
Let's
them.
go.
Let's go. And today it is supposed to be rainy. It is pretty common in summer to rain a lot in Florida. So we are starting at Universal so that we can get into the indoor rides first. And then when it clears up, we can go to Islands of Adventure. Okay, it is 4:15 and we have express passes starting now. We're gonna go head over to Minions and see how many rides we can get in tonight. We just ate at the Minion Cafe, ready to go the next 5 hours, see what we can get done. And I mentioned that we have express passes because we have the highest, the premier annual pass. It is such a huge perk having express from 4 p.m. to close every night. And the express line is long this way. Let's see how long it takes with it filled all the way up. And summer crowds are back. We haven't been this far back in a long time. I'll show a brief clip of the ride and we cannot wait for the new Minion ride opening this summer.
Appears that some of you have not showered in like a week. Girls, not naming names, but it's those guys.
You're now the Minion Playground. This is where we test your strength, speed, and ability to knock down. Floating in the anti-gravity recycling room. Oh no!
How could I forget the most important day of my life?
Thank you.
It's getting close to 5 o'clock. We're gonna do the Mummy. It was only 13 minutes with the express, but they had a delay, unfortunately. So we waited in the room for a little bit, the pre-show room. And now it is almost 5 o'clock. We got about 4 hours. There are a few rides that require lockers, and they are free for a small locker. So each person with a pass can get their own locker, and my Loungeflies usually fit perfectly. Otherwise, you have to pay about $5 for a big locker. It's a 35-minute wait. See how long with Express? It took like 3 minutes. The front. Oh no, it's broke. It's broke.
With your souls, I shall rule for all eternity. The demon, the Magi, can save you now. Your souls.
Are you ready to go on Transformers, buddy? All right, it's 5:12. We're gonna try to go on Transformers. Should be a short wait with Express. I think Mummy, we waited like 4 minutes. Not bad. It's a 20-minute wait. Let's go see how long with Express. Express was pretty backed up, so the standby had to be even longer.
You can't escape Megatron. Reverse thrusters. Surrender or perish.
Okay, I know.
Your bravery saved the planet. Well done, freedom fighters.
Way to improvise, team.
It was just over 30 minutes for Transformers. Unfortunately, they did have a breakdown, so we had to wait it out. That does happen sometimes. We're gonna go try ET though and see. It is almost 6 o'clock now. All right, you can still see the Woody Woodpecker coaster, which is gonna be the Trolls coaster. You can actually see it a lot. Why? Oh, because the walls are different now. You can see so much more now of the coaster than you could before.
Actually, they did.
Yeah, it is 6 o'clock. We're gonna see 35 minutes. We're gonna see how long with Express. All right, well, we didn't really have to wait for this, so at least that's nice.
Hold it right there. Whoa!
It's Daddy's farts. Daddy had a break. screaming.
A mushroom.
You have saved our planet!
Like
Come,
eyes.
celebrate with us!
So the store is open. I was asked about that. And it is open right now. Alright, 6:26. Lightning is out. We gotta hurry up and go to Simpsons. ET was a walk-on with the Express. But we gotta hurry because it's getting bad. And you have to be so careful here in Florida. Almost 6:30. The outdoor rides are closed right now because of the lightning. So we can't do Rip Ride just yet. But there's still a few more indoor rides like Simpsons and Men in Black and Gringotts. It says 15 minutes. Let's go. Doesn't actually look busy at all over here. There shouldn't be much of a wait at all, but there is a pre-show, and that does take a while sometimes.
We're like that space guy who did that moon thing.
Neil Armstrong?
No, Chewbacca. A roller coaster.
I'm scared, Dad.
Not only are you not killing us, I'm having fun. Oh, that's a lot of cooking.
Come on, Daddy. Just try something.
Hey, you break it, you puppy.
Wait for my
How'd she get over here? How'd she get over here so fast?
Daddy, that's not a pacifier. Get those tourists out of your mouth. You don't know where they've been.
Alright, it's 6:55. Gonna go see how much Men in Black is. I think it's like a 10-minute wait. We gotta get a locker first though, because they don't allow stuff on the ride. And best thing ever, we walked right on.
Don't even dream of it. Landed smack dab in the middle of You can be hiding just about anywhere. Don't hurt a bit.
Next, she's by herself.
Yeah. She's sitting up here. She got us.
Only one thing left to do. Push the red button.
Look at Bunny Boy's score. Bunny Boy, you must have been hitting some good stuff.
You beat me! You beat all of us!
You beat all of us.
He beat all of us! The outdoor rides are running now. It is 7:12. I'm doing pretty good minus some delays, which does happen sometimes. We are going to skip Gringotts because we did that last trip. It kind of is a long wait with the pre-show and all that. Now, if you have never been, you have to ride Gringotts, but we are choosing to skip this one. We can get some freeze pops and do Rip Ride Rocket, maybe hit islands. But Gringotts is like one of the best rides here. We're trying to change it up, do different rides we did last time. So we did get these freeze pops, which we put in our Minion food vlog, a short vlog just covering some of the food here. And unfortunately, Rip Ride Rocket was still weather delayed. It's 7:42. We're gonna go over to Islands and do some rides. Hopefully Pumpkin can go on Velocicoaster. I think we're gonna head over to Marvel. Hit that over there. See what the wait times are. Maybe a lot of people are leaving, especially with the rain. I think it's gonna come back one more time. We're doing pretty good for having some ride delays. I don't see the Hulk running just yet. Spider-Man is an indoor ride though, so we'll go there. Pumpkin keeps hoping she's tall enough. Average delay is 60-minute wait. It's almost 8 o'clock on a Thursday. Not too bad. Hour wait. I could do this one and kick off another ride, but I hate spinning. Some people might forget this is back here, but it is. Because Velocicoaster is delayed. So hopefully it comes back up.
Yeah, you're getting close. No, not even. You're done. Are you tiptoeing or?
So we gave her the choice to either wait it out for the Hulk or go head over towards Velocicoaster. She chose Velocicoaster, so our next trip I'm gonna film with my glasses and get her reaction. We cannot wait. The Hulk was the last ride that she needed. It is the highest height requirement here. to come back for Pumpkin to ride the first time. And are you happy you're tall enough for the Hulk?
Yeah!
Well, hopefully we can go on it. If not, we'll come back. All right, Spider-Man's 20-minute wait. We got 56 minutes left of the park, so we're gonna try to do this best we can. And thankfully, this was pretty much a walk-on too.
Man, you shouldn't be out here. Doc Ock on the loose. This could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours. Be careful. Nice shades.
You think you're getting out of here? You're in for it. Yeah!
Out of the way, they're blind.
I throw you off the street.
Don't give up your day job. Say cheese.
So we're gonna cut through Toon Lagoon. We don't feel like getting wet today.
I thought it was running, but I did. See?
Yeah, rain cloud. A lot of rain, a lot of getting wet here. Oh, but Popeye is closed
Yeah, it says it's closed.
for weather.
Oh, I see.
Cog is only a 10-minute wait at 8:22. Vanessa and Rick headed over to Velocicoaster. You can do child swap, but it really isn't fair to Buddy Boy this time with the limited amount of time we had. But it said it was only 25 minutes, and judging the line, it was about 45 minutes. We ended up leaving. Okay, River Adventure's only 10 minutes. Actually not bad at all. But Buddy Boy said he wants to go on Forbidden Journey, right? Okay.
Wow. I am so excited.
You want to see if you're tall enough?
Yeah.
Going in over here by the Velocicoaster to see if he's tall enough. We ended up watching some of these movies, the Jurassic World with the kids. Such good films. We love parks. And they're coming down. It's a whole nother experience at night. It's pretty cool with the fire and all that. Yeah, so it's 45 minutes. Now we're gonna see if Buddy Boy can even go on it. Nope. You're close. Yeah, just a little bit more. Alright, let's
If I'm
go.
7, I probably will go on it, right?
We have 24 minutes left of the park. It is a 25-minute wait, but we have express, so it should only be like 5 or 10 minutes. There's no complications.
Sorry about that. Those benches can be a bit dodgy. But we haven't lost anyone yet. Not this week anyway.
Hey, you lot. Come see the dragon, have you?
Alright, we've got 11 minutes to get on the Sneetches. Let's see if we can do it.
Too long. Right, Mom? Is that right?
That's right, it was too long.
Yep.
Hagrid says it's 95 minutes. It's probably at least an hour, hour and a half, so that is probably pretty accurate. We gotta hurry to Seuss. Oh, the Hulk is running again, darn. We're gonna come back next week to do some character autographs here, hopefully, at least in a week or two. So we'll come back and do that for her first time. I love the Seuss Landing at night and during Christmas. It's like so festive and lit up.
Now, what can I say when I get home today? All the long way through town and all the way back, the next thing I spy is the Hop on Pop shop. Tots hopping on ice cream with cherries on top. Puffs of the truffula trees, mile after mile in the fresh blowing breeze. And look out below! It's that new McGrew Zoo. Oh, what this zoo must be worth! It's the most wonderful zoo on the face of the earth. Them here and there. Say, I will eat them anywhere. Now keep your eyes peeled for sneeches. They're known to love beaches. There's one down there, fishing. He's floating, he's wishing. He might catch a fish with a pinwheel-like tail. He might catch a fish who has fins like a sail. He might catch a fish with a checkerboard belly, or even a fish made of strawberry jelly.
So in 5 hours, we got about 10 rides done, Buddy Boy and I. Vanessa and Rick got 9 because the Velocicoaster was longer. Even though it kind of started out with some ride delays, it ended up being a great night. Check out our Universal playlist and let us know if you have any questions about Universal or Islands of Adventure. And a big thank you to Maddie and Lachey for helping support our channel. People like you help us to keep going and doing what we love.
Stay epic and subscribe for more videos. And subscribe. And subscribe. Cut!
We did a this or that challenge, super fun at both of the parks. Click either of these videos, the top one being Universal and the bottom one being Islands of Adventure, where we did this or that challenge. And thank you so much for watching.